Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and those who are new, hi, I'm Dr. Puna Boyke. So in today's video, I'll be talking about an extremely important product in any skincare routine, and that is sunscreen. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. So let's start with the basics first. Sunscreens are specially designed to protect our skin from the harmful UV rays that are emitted from the sun. These sun rays can cause serious skin damage such as dark spots, pigmentation. It can also cause early signs of aging as well as sunspots. So using a broad spectrum sunscreen daily can actually help in protecting as well as preventing the early signs of aging as well as serious sun damage. UVA rays penetrate deep into the skin and cause premature aging. They are responsible for things like wrinkles, fine lines and hyperpigmentation. Think of UVA rays as the aging rays, whereas UVB rays on the other hand are what causes sunburn. They mainly affect the outer layer of your skin and are responsible for immediate damage. So UVB rays are the burning rays. Now many people ask this question whether they should wear a sunscreen when they are indoors or when it is cloudy. So yes, you do have to wear a sunscreen whether you are indoors or even it's cloudy, because sun rays can penetrate through the windows as well as clouds as well. And let's not forget about blue light. So blue light can be emitted through phones, laptops, tablets and even the sun. And studies have shown that blue light can also affect your skin in an adverse way. It can lead to accelerated aging. It can also cause damage to your skin as well as pigmentation. Now let's talk about SPF. So SPF stands for Sun Protection Factor. So you must have seen sunscreens which are labeled as SPF 30 or SPF 50. Now what do these numbers actually mean? So basically, if a sunscreen is labeled as SPF 30, it means that it can block approximately 97% of UVB rays, whereas SPF 50 can block about 98% of UVB rays. Now the percentage seems to be small, but it actually makes a huge difference, especially if you have prolonged exposure to sun. Now sunscreens can be of various types. It can be mineral, chemical or hybrid. So if your sunscreen contains purely physical filters like zinc oxide or titanium dioxide, it means it is a physical sunscreen, whereas chemical sunscreens contains chemical filters, whereas hybrid sunscreen contains a mixture of these two. That means it contains both physical as well as chemical filters in them. Now how much sunscreen should you apply daily? So it is recommended to use at least 2 to 3 fingers worth of sunscreen for your whole face as well as neck, and you should not forget your ears as well as other exposed areas of your skin. Coming to reapplication of sunscreen, so if your sunscreen is not water as well as sweat resistant and it does not say that it provides 6 hours protection, so you have to reapply your sunscreen every 2 hours for giving adequate protection to your skin. Now reapplication can be messy if you are outdoors or if you are wearing makeup. So the best way to reapply your sunscreen is through sunscreen sprays or powders or even sunscreen sticks. But many people do not like to use sunscreen sticks on their makeup, as some people have noticed that sunscreen sticks can actually spoil your makeup. So if you're someone who does not like to use sunscreen stick for reapplication, so you can use a sunscreen spray or sunscreen powder for reapplication. Now for easy and hassle-free reapplication, the Dermaco has launched this 1% hyaluronic quick absorbing sunscreen spray, which is meant for both face as well as body. Firstly, let's talk about the packaging. So the product comes in this sleek, convenient spray bottle. It's super travel friendly and the mist makes application a breeze. Whether you are at the beach, in the city or simply out for a stroll, just a few sprays and you're good to go. It comes with SPF 50 and PA4+ for that maximum protection against UVA and UVB rays. So this sunscreen spray contains 1% hyaluronic acid in it. So hyaluronic acid is a glycosaminoglycan which can hold up to 1000 times its weight in water. So it will help in hydrating as well as plumping your skin. This sunscreen also contains vitamin E. So vitamin E is a very good antioxidant. So it helps in preventing free radical damage on your skin. It also helps in moisturizing the skin as well as protecting it from environmental stressors. So you can easily use this sunscreen spray as a reapplication sunscreen on your whole face as well as body. This sunscreen is extremely easy to apply. Just give it a good shake, spray it from about 3 to 4 inches away from your face and body and massage gently. You can just pat it on your face so that it doesn't spoil your makeup as well. It gives you even coverage across your body and it makes reapplication extremely easy. Plus it's so lightweight that it won't weigh down your skin even when you are reapplying it throughout the day. The best part of the sunscreen spray is that it does not make your skin greasy, it does not leave any kind of white cast, and it is super easy to apply and it won't spoil your makeup. It just feels like applying a mist on your skin. So what you can do on a daily basis is that you can apply a classic sunscreen. So you can use this 1% hyaluronic sunscreen aqua gel by the Dermaco. It has SPF 50 and PA4+. It dissolves like water, it does not leave any white cast, and it is very easy to apply and it gives a very nice dewy finish to the skin. For application, you just need to apply 2 to 3 fingers worth of this sunscreen and apply it on other exposed areas of your skin. It blends very nicely. It is a hybrid sunscreen, so it contains both physical as well as chemical filter, and it leaves no white cast and it leaves no greasy finish. Both these sunscreens are backed by lab tests which confirms that they provide broad spectrum protection. So if you're looking for broad spectrum sunscreens which can provide UVA, UVB as well as blue light protection to your skin, and they are easy to reapply, you can definitely give these two a try. All the products from the Derma Co are now fragrance free, and you can purchase these products from Derma Co's official website, and you can use my coupon code POONAM2024 for getting a flat 20% off. These products are also available at Amazon, Flipkart, Nykaa as well as Purple. The Derma Co has empowered 20,000 plus students this year with the Young Scientist Initiative. Every time you buy from them, they will link your order to a child that they help to educate along with Bhumi. I'll put down the links of the products in the description box below, do check it out. But before trying out any kind of new product, a patch test is highly recommended. So this is all for today. Hope you liked the video. If you want to see more videos like this, do subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. You can also connect with me on Instagram. See you in the next video. Take care, stay safe, bye.